Have you ever wanted to run multiple EmberJS applications at the same time, but felt restricted by the default port? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore how to serve your local host from a different port in EmberJS. I completely understand your frustration. It can be really inconvenient to switch back and forth between applications, especially when you're trying to build one app while using another. You're definitely not alone in this struggle. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, "Can I serve my EmberJS application from a different port other than 4200? They want to run two apps simultaneously for easier development." Sound familiar? Let's find out how to make this happen. So, why does this matter? The default port for EmberJS is 4200, which can be limiting if you're working on multiple projects. By changing the port, you can have both applications running at the same time without any conflicts. And stick around. I have a handy tip at the end that will make your development process even smoother. To serve an Ember application on a different port, the user can specify the port number directly when running the command. This is done by adding the option for the port to the command. For example, if the user wants to run their Ember app on port 4500, they would type ember serve followed by /nice port and then the desired port number. Additionally, if the user wants to make this change permanent, they can configure the default port in the Ember configuration file. This file is named ember-cla.js. After making these changes, the user can run their Ember applications simultaneously on different ports without any conflicts. This allows for easier development and testing. Fun fact, the number 4200 is often associated with the default port for EmberJS, but did you know that many other frameworks have their own default ports too? It's like a secret club of ports. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. Yes, you can serve your Ember apps on different ports. To do this, simply use the command ember server followed by the port number you want. For example, you can specify port 1234 for the server and port 235 for live reloading. Here's the tip I promised. Consider using a port management tool or script to easily switch between different ports for your applications. This can save you time and hassle in the long run. And there you have it. You can now serve your EmberJS applications on different ports, making your development process much more efficient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and stay tuned for our next video where we dive deeper into EmberJS.